In a small village near Islamabad, there lived a young boy named Hamza. His father was a laborer, and his mother stitched clothes to support the family. Their house was small, and many nights they slept without electricity. But Hamza had a big dream. He wanted to become a doctor. People often laughed at him. How can a poor boy become a doctor? They said, but Hamza never allowed those words to break his spirit. Every morning, he walked several kilometers to school carrying old books in a torn bag. At night, he studied under a streetlight because there was no proper light in his home. One winter evening, Hamza's mother became seriously ill. The nearest doctor was far away, and the family had no money for treatment. Hamza sat beside his mother with tears in his eyes. That night, he made a promise to himself. One day, I will become a doctor and help poor people for free. From that moment, he worked harder than ever before. While other students rested, Hamza continued studying. He failed some tests, faced financial problems, and sometimes felt hopeless, but he never quit. Years later, after endless struggle and sacrifice, Hamza earned admission to a medical college. The journey was difficult. He worked part-time jobs, skipped meals, and spent sleepless nights studying medicine. Many times he thought about giving up, but he remembered his mother's suffering, and his dream became stronger. Finally, the day arrived when Hamza wore a white doctor's coat for the first time. Tears filled his eyes as he remembered the poor village boy who once studied under a street light. After becoming a doctor, Hamza returned to his village and opened a small clinic. He treated poor patients with kindness and never refused anyone because of money. People who once laughed at him now respected him deeply. One day, a young boy came to the clinic and said, "Dr. Hamza, I also want to become a doctor like you, but I am poor." Hamza smiled and replied, "Poverty can make life difficult, but it cannot stop a determined person. Never stop believing in yourself." Years passed, and Dr. Hamza's small clinic became famous in nearby villages. People traveled from far places because they trusted his kindness more than expensive hospitals. He listened carefully to every patient and treated them like family. One rainy night, there was a loud knock on the clinic door. Hamza opened it and saw a worried man carrying his little daughter in his arms. The child had a very high fever and was struggling to breathe. Doctor, please save my daughter, the man cried. I have no money, but she's all I have. Without thinking about payment, Dr. Hamza immediately started treatment. The storm outside was strong and electricity suddenly went out. The clinic became dark, but Hamza continued working using a small emergency lamp. For several hours, he stayed beside the little girl, checking her condition again and again. Finally, near dawn, her fever began to fall. Slowly, she opened her eyes and smiled weakly. Her father burst into tears of happiness. You saved my daughter's life, he said. Hamza smiled gently and replied, a doctor's duty is not to earn money first. It is to save lives. News of this incident spread across the region. Many wealthy people offered Hamza jobs in big hospitals in Karachi and Lahore with high salaries. But he refused every offer because he did not want to leave the people who needed him most. Instead, he decided to build a larger hospital in his village. At first, it seemed impossible. He had little money and very few supporters. But Hamza believed that every great achievement begins with a single step. He traveled from town to town asking for donations. Some people ignored him, while others mocked his dream. Still, he continued. After years of effort, the hospital was finally built. Poor families, who once had no medical care, now received treatment close to home. Young doctors also joined Hamza because they were inspired by his dedication.